Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best paraffin wax baths that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Therabath Professional Thermotherapy Paraffin Bath. Composed of high-quality materials, this paraffin wax bath will let you use it for professional applications. This has a composite exterior and includes a durable metal interior. Moreover, it has a large space that lets you have a better advantage. Furthermore, the product also comes with a protective grill as well as handles that let you use it comfortably. Moreover, it lets you have easy visibility as this includes clear during lid. Additionally, the product is easy to clean, and it lets you use it according to your needs. This will let you have precise temperature control and features a digital display. It also comes in a complete set and lets you have royal treatment from home. At number 4, Waxkiss Paraffin Wax Machine. Are you looking to offer royal treatment to your skin while bathing? With this paraffin wax bath, you can have smooth and soft skin, and it comes with better heat conduction making it ideal for people having arthritis. It has natural ingredients and is safe to use. Moreover, you can use it conveniently at home and is perfect for dry skin. It makes sure that there will be a natural moisturizing effect as it helps to enhance blood circulation. Furthermore, it also prevents wrinkles and comes with FDA certification. Additionally, the product is available in a complete set, and it has a gentle scent. It includes easy controls, and you can even set the temperature according to your preference. At number 3, KARITE Paraffin Wax Machine Bath. Providing you with soft skin, this one comes with an auto-healing program. This is very easy to use, and it lets you select from an appropriate heating mode. Moreover, the paraffin wax bath has an adjustable temperature, and it offers you healthy-looking skin. Furthermore, it is extremely safe to use and features an NTC thermistor that helps to prevent short circuits. It has a large opening that can hold 30,000 milliliters of paraffin wax. It offers you multiple advantages and is suitable for your feet and hands. Additionally, this will let you program it according to your needs, and it comes in a complete set. This is also very easy to clean and lets you have warm therapy. At number 2, ParaSpa Paraffin Wax Bath. Giving you the advantage to heal your cracked skin, this paraffin wax bath lets you have a nourished feeling. It lets you reveal soft skin and is safe to use. Moreover, the product also comes with easy operation and features a green indicator light. It includes a locking lead so that there can be secure protection. You can have a home spa right from anywhere you want, and it is available in a complete set. Additionally, this has gentle heat and includes disposable hand liners. Furthermore, it is perfect for harsh weather conditions, and it comes with easy maintenance. The product helps to rejuvenate your hands and makes sure there will be safe storage. At number 1, Salon Sundry Portable Electric Hot Paraffin Wax Bath. Suitable for professional applications, this one comes in a reliable design. The paraffin wax bath has a sleek construction and features a metal interior for durable results. Moreover, it allows you to dip your feet, elbows, or hands and make the maximum out of it. Additionally, it lets you use it safely as it includes convenient handles. This also has a protective grill, and it lets you have easy cleaning. This comes with a clear viewing lid that lets you monitor the meltdown of wax. The product allows you to use it to your needs as this comes with adjustable temperature control. Furthermore, this has a digital display and makes sure there will be a quick wax meltdown. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.